Okay, so obviously you know my name. This is Dr. Nikita Etiraju. So I was graduated in 2022 in the field of information technology from University of Cumberland, USA. My current research work is totally on AI and artificial intelligence in cloud techniques, concentration, but would go for IoT and data sciences too. My current research and my current topic on this webinar is about the sustainable cybersecurity techniques in utilities domain, because I basically work in utility domain in US, and I want to give the insights of the cybersecurity techniques which was utilized in the utilities and how can we overcome it, because utilities between the organization and the end customer. So I want to give insights of it. And about Trues, I heard great words about Trues, and I would feel it's an incredible opportunity for me to present my work and interacting with you guys here. Thank you.
Thank you.